Well, here we are. We are going to make a soap for a spur of the moment, last possible moment soap collaboration. That was truly a spur of the moment one from, and I'm probably saying her name wrong, but Aarti Jain on our YouTube soap collaboration on Facebook. She made a suggestion since we're all, kind of in isolation.
Limbo.
Yeah, so it's called Isolation Inspiration Soap Collaboration. So we were asked to pick something that was a favorite item of clothing or a fabric or something and use that kind of as our jump off point for what we're inspired to do. So today, that's what I'm doing. I will include a photo of the fabric swatch from a blouse that I have that I love. So let's get started and make our inspirational soap. Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are near. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. I am going to go box this up and leave it for about 24 hours, and then we will come back and cut it. Anyway, hang in there and we will be right back with the cutting of our brand new sandalwood cedarwood soap. We're back. We have our beautiful cedar and sandalwood that we're going to cut. It's got a different cut style today, which I've never done before. So the person I learned how to cut this from was Lisa Cunningham. I Dream in Soap. Thank you, Lisa. You're the bomb. So here you have our cedarwood, sandalwood. This is for a soap collaboration that Aarti Jain came up with called Isolation Inspiration. So during this pandemic crisis thing where everybody is stuck in their house, we thought this would just be a really fun time to think about what's important and spend time with family in your house. Don't go visiting anybody. Tuck in and watch YouTube. Look what we got. Soap videos. Yay! Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. And, come back and check our videos anytime you'd like. You can find our soaps at littleredriversoap.etsy.com. You can find us on Facebook at Little Red River Soap Company, and on Instagram at Little Red River Soap Co. We hope to see you guys. Come on in to Instagram and follow us. Come to Facebook and see what the buzz is going on in there. So take care, be blessed, and we love you guys. Bye.
See ya.
Be well, be healthy.